Well, even if they're doing that as themselves, what if their persona is not likable? And if their persona is not likable, the jury is going to hold that against them and find them not credible. Now, the opposite is also true. What if a person is very credible, very believable, very sympathetic, heartbroken about these charges, and tells such a good story of the facts as they see them that the jury buys it and they're not guilty? We're seeing that more and more in cases that we're covering. But the reality is, in a case like this, I cannot imagine that he would testify and subject himself to cross-examination, not when you have federal charges, and not when you have racketeering charges. I do not believe it would be worth the risk as a former judge for him to put himself in that position.
Do you think the jury is going to find him guilty or not guilty?
I have to tell you, if you just hear the evidence, what you expect it to be, and if we look it up and read the articles, of course, it sounds like, well, he's going to be guilty. But I don't know that yet. We haven't heard the evidence, right? There's a panel of 45 jurors that now they're going to have to go through that to pick the jurors for the trial before the evidence even begins in the case. And it depends, because it depends not only on what the evidence is, but how well the state presents, excuse me, the feds, the federal government presents the evidence. It also depends on how well the defense pokes holes to create reasonable doubt in the evidence. So I really cannot say, because I would just caution anyone, even the things you hear and you see and